Right, today we're going to install one of these in our caravan and I'll show what it's all about. So we've got a dishwasher in our van. I'm just going to turn it on, hit play, close, and the pump's just going to be isolating. So as you can hear, pulsating away because the dishwasher is trying to take a little bit of water, but it doesn't need heaps because it's trying to heat it up at the same time. So, which is making this pump pulsate. So when we install this, that'll quit. You hear the pump going, and when you turn it down, here it's just isolating. You hear that isolating? And the dishwasher does that all the time, and the taps are stripping. If I turn that off, the dishwasher uses the water. Go, and you hear that all the time. So this here stops that, because you put air pressure in this, it pumps up the system and it uses the pressure out of here before the pump kicks in. And then when the pump does kick in, it will just run till this is pressurized again and then turn off. And then it'll slowly use all the pressure out of the line, out of this, and then the pump will turn on. So it'll get rid of this, it'll just be on and then it'll turn off. So you get rid of that. Because that gives everyone this, you know what that gives. No one likes that. And the tap's going good. So that's it. It does come with these fittings. But we're not going to use those because I've got different pipe. I'm going to bought these. So now we're going to put them onto there with some Teflon tape. Righto, so that's how I've installed it. Just got it up here. Used a couple of, like a 90 there to get it in. I can get to the pressure, so I'll put 50 psi in mine, and that seems to work really well. I'll show you. So if I just crack the tap open a little bit, so it's just open a little bit, now it goes off, stops that pulsating. So, and then I can just open it right up, close it. So it takes a second to shut off because it's building up pressure in that little tank. And then I can just, you know, if I want to fill up a little drink bottle, just keep a drink bottle there. There it goes, turns on, turns off. So now when the dishwasher's going, it should only do that. And then not go ching, 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 ching. So yeah, winner, winner. So now the dishwasher's going, so it's not constantly hammering like it was. Yeah, it's still turning off and on. It stops for a second. Oh, there's heaps better. Because before it was going, as you can hear that going off, now it just kicks in and out, in and out. Heh, winner, winner. So, and then yeah. Done. I reckon that's good. Righto, give it a like if you like it, and let me know your comments if you guys have got one, and or if you guys want one. Righto, cool. See yous.